So I'm having an issue with the Divi theme that I cannot figure out why it is happening. We've hosted this site in WP Engine, and we have a regular site, and we have a the production site, and we have a developer site. So here's the production site, and here's the dev site, which is devajnaples.wpengine.com. So when you go to the site, you'll notice down at the bottom and in many other places, there's these broken images. So these are showing up in different places, right? When I go to fix them, they're under the theme builder and in the custom footer. So I've replaced this several times already. When I go in here and I go to fix it, you'll notice a bunch of broken images in here too, and these just keep growing. I mean, today there's 25 of them. I don't know how many, but there's a lot, and it's duplicating. This is new because now it's duplicating images. It's just weird what's going on with this. I don't know. So when I put the proper image in there, which should be this one, double check. Yeah, it keeps deleting them. And put the image in there. And same with this one. This is missing all of the images. It should look like, here's the dev site, so you can see, should look like that. So that's missing all of those images. Which I uploaded myself. So it's missing completely. I uploaded this image myself because I had to change it. So I'll show you. I'll upload the file. So I've now fixed the images, and we'll save it. It's not even. And then in a couple of days, these will disappear again. So I know I uploaded this one myself after this issue started happening, replaced it. I also replaced this one, and it's still happening. So I'm not sure if there is some type of setting that happened when we moved the site over from, well, I didn't, but when the original person moved the site over from development into production, something is going on with that. And I've had WP Engine check this and look at everything, and their recommendation is that it's an image that's being stored somewhere within Divi, and a search and replace isn't fixing it. We've verified the database is also connecting to the right database. The production database is connecting to the production database, and this is the production site specifically that is having the issue on it, and we can't figure out what it is. You know, they've said that it's somewhere in Divi, and we don't know where it is, but something in Divi is causing that image to revert back to the development site. So as you can see here, and if I right click on this image before I refresh it, notice it's going to dev AJ Naples. So we don't know where in these settings it's happening, where there is a setting somewhere in the theme options that is continuing to revert back to that developer, and we don't know where it is. So this is a problem that we're trying to fix, and hopefully Divi support will help us investigate further, because WP Engine is at their limit. They can't figure it out, and hopefully Divi can help us.